Hello, today I will show you how to set up the Milotech BuzzNet dryer machine. First of all, we need to turn it on. Okay, this is a temperature screen, time screen, and you want to configure the temperature and time. We push the clock button for 3 seconds. Okay, this is a temperature screen. You can increase or decrease the temperature. Increase. Okay, decrease. Okay. Then we move to the time config by push set button. Okay. Also, you can increase, decrease, and when you choose the right temperature and time you need, you push the clock button again for 3 seconds, less than 3 seconds. Okay, and so on. It's just working automatically. Thank you.